this has finished. I'm actually a little bit excited. I think I might have over-whisked it just a little bit, because it hasn't risen as much as I'd like. But I'm not going to blame the machine. I'm probably going to blame the way that I've baked it. So, let's have a look. Alright. This has only been on, and I can already tell it needs to go back in. This was on for 30 minutes at 175. Now, bearing in mind that I have added to it. So, I'm just going to show you very, okay, I don't even need to put that. I can feel that doesn't. Well, what do you think? That clean? Would you call that clean? Let's have a look. It does feel really light and fluffy. Do you know what? I'm just going to put it in for 3 more minutes. Just because this is me being me. And then it's probably going to come out overbaked. But if I'm actually honest, the only thing I'm upset about is obviously it hasn't risen as well. But as we said, that could just be me over mixing. I'm actually generally... I'm actually quite impressed. In 30 minutes, no heating of the oven. As I said, I did, because it's me, I did heat the air fryer just because I just can't put cake in a cold oven. So I'm going to put this back. I'm going to put this back on for about another 3 minutes. I'm going to bake. I just don't think that looks quite clean. So I think 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to give that a little 4 minutes. It just doesn't look quite clean, but very good. It works lovely, and it's done. And obviously you can fit a whole 6-inch cake in it. So I'm going to continue with this one, and I will let you know how I get on with it. And obviously I'll post you some pictures. But thanks for tuning in, and thanks. This was an excellent buy from Amazon. Well done, Amazon.